Oh, me? Oh, yeah.
Just don't say anything in the video.
No, you could commentary, do whatever you got to do.
Oh, and it's already recording? Well, this is up for sale, if anyone wants it. It's a Dodge Charger SRT8. One tip looks like it's got Down syndrome. The other tip, it's pretty good.
This is how the taillights came out. I don't know if you can tell. What we ended up doing was having custom painted center strips. So I didn't have to do the vinyl. What else they did? They put super high powered reverse lights, which I'll try to get a clip of. So the bottom is all blacked out now. Custom roonies. The only thing we didn't really touch was up here, but I'm gonna be doing vinyl. So as far as what it looks like, this is what it's gonna look like. As you can see, the bottom now works. Now, you won't notice this until I hit the brakes, but there are now lights here and here instead of just on the outside. But just adding this alone, I'm super in love with it. Super in love. Can't complain, not at all. What I'm gonna do now is just set the camera down. I'm gonna turn the truck on, throw the reverse lights on so you can see those, put the blinkers on, hit the brakes a couple times just so you can see. Hopefully you were able to get some kind of idea of the change we made. What we're going to be doing next is blacking out this with some Lux tint and blacking out the top third brake light with some Lux tint, and I might actually be doing a carbon fiber license plate just to tie in the rear, clean it up a little bit, but that's about it. Can't really complain. Can you see that gloss? Let's take a closer look. Yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely wild. Wild. It's honestly pretty crazy, guys, but like I always say, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you coming by. Please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, thank you so much for sticking through all my madness. It's just me being an appreciative kind of guy. So I'm just going to upload this. I will link in the description below the information for where I got my taillights done. So maybe if you're interested in the market or looking for, you could contact him. Alright, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys on the next one.